in Budapest, Champions League final, fighting. That's fighting. Well, we will be fighting.
Yeah, you will.
We're
for the
playing.
title.
We're playing PSG, who we've already beat in the Champions League. And by the way, we're undefeated in the Champions League, so we've got them. We can Premiership. It's there for us to lose. I think we'll win it. We scored more goals than any team. We've got the best defence, letting less goals than any team. We're on. It's all gelling at the right time. Some of these players are coming, really hitting the ground running now. Saka's back on form, and for me, Declan Rice, what a star he is and what he's done, and Gabriel and Saliba, all of them, the goalie, right? I mean, I don't want to leave anybody out. They've all been playing well, but I do take my hat off to Declan. I think he's something special.
And are you going to go over to Budapest?
Sorry?
Are you going to go over and watch the final?
Of course I'm going to go. Cancelled the show. We were going to have a show on the 30th, but it's dead in the water now.